AV equipment Hire Liverpool. Imagine organizing an important event. The room is full, your speaker walks on stage. And suddenly, the microphone cuts out, the audience can't hear properly, the lighting doesn't work as expected. Moments like this can quickly turn a well-planned event into a stressful experience. Many event organizers underestimate how important professional AV equipment really is. Low-quality sound systems, lighting that doesn't cover the stage, or equipment that simply isn't designed for the size of the venue. These problems don't just affect the technology, they affect how your entire event is remembered. That's why event organizers choose our team. We provide professional AV equipment designed to make events run smoothly. From sound systems and wireless microphones, to stage lighting, projectors, and complete event production equipment. And our experienced technicians handle the delivery, setup, testing, and breakdown, so everything works exactly as it should. Whether you're hosting a conference, product launch, wedding, exhibition, or live event, we design the right AV setup for your venue and audience size. So your speakers are heard clearly. Your lighting looks professional. And your event runs exactly as planned. If you're planning an event and want reliable AV equipment, speak to one of our specialists today. We'll guide you through the best setup for your event and provide a clear quote. Contact us today on 07480 537240.